Oh, I just had a wood knock to the right. As I turn my camera on here, that might have picked up. This area here is one of the coolest areas I've ever been. But you'll see the structures here. Figured I'd do a quick little, I don't know how quick it'll be, but evening time video. There's a storm nearby. Got your X. See the one leaned up in here? Oof, I'm a little nervous. This is one place that makes me a little nervous. Their structuring is crazy in here. So yeah, I had a wood knock to the right. I'll probably leave my phone in here and do a recording and review that. Here's your, look at this, guys. Wow, that's a seat spot right there. But check this out. That's a cool trail marker. They call it a trail marker, but I see it within their structures right at their seat spots a lot of times. Into the star structure. See how they leaned that one up into it, and then they kicked one out and created a star structure? I am nervous. Hi, guys. There's your Y. Another Y. But look at the structure they did under it. Where they all cross at the same point. Another Y. I'm in ultra high definition 4K, or it's 60 feet per second. So I can't do videos in 0.5 where you can see things better. It's one time or whatever they call it. So everything's closer than the 0.5. Another, what did they do? Another trail marker one, but check this out. I really gotta pay attention. Man. I don't think they expected me to get out and come up in here. But, look at this. Oh, there's a teepee to the right of me. Oh, I think there's a second one. But look at this. So on the trail marker, I don't know what they use, but it's like a fungus of some sort. And you'll see this in their spiderweb designs. But when it grows, this sticks to it like crazy. I'm hearing movement. Look at that structure. Teepee. Here comes the teepee. Wow. Beautiful, guys. is the teepee. Teepee type structure. Obviously it's not a teepee. Teepee's Native American, and it's, you know, specifically a teepee. This is a teepee shape, so I call them teepee type structures. Look at that, guys. Seat spot right there. There's one right there. Holy moly. I don't... like, I am so nervous right now. Another seat spot. Look at that. Wow. See the one behind it? It's like, see, I'm in the seat spot, so that's a line-up point, just like that. That's a trident right behind it, where that front one's broke off, that little white one. So it lands right on the trident in this seat spot. Hi, guys. Man. From this seat spot, look at that teepee. Maybe the 4K ultra high definition, maybe that'd be better if I did it in upright, and it would show the things better. I don't know. It's like the most beautiful star structure. I just had a noise to the right of me here. Man, I gotta get back farther. It's the only thing I don't like about doing ultra high definition 4K, 60 feet per second, because I can't put it in 0.5 mode. Beautiful. That was just crazy. That stick is literally glued to that. Like, I've been to seats